Recording.
Here goes the other one. Did you hear her laughing? Now here goes the other one. She
put her clothes on again and then undress her again.
No, we're not going to put her clothes
Ready?
on again.
I'm not tickling her.
Dad, come here! Quick!
Here comes the other one.
Wait.
Ready? Get your clothes out of your mouth. She's not done, I guess. Oh, right here. Patty cake, baker's man. Throw in your
Yeah, you should have heard it when he took her pants off.
Patty cake. Ready? Patty cake. Patty cake, baker's man. Throw it up. That's me.